Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we're back. It's time for another Disney food at home remake.
This time we are cooking from Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, we're digging in the vault to one of the first restaurants we dined at, or table services we dined at Magic Kingdom right when we started doing YouTube.
Yeah.
Right at the beginning.
Yeah. They don't even offer this dish anymore.
Nope, but it's so pretty we had to go back and revisit it to see if we could actually do it. Might be a little bit challenging, but we're going to give it a shot.
So this is the Israeli couscous. It does usually have mushroom on it. I did not get mine with mushroom on it, so we will not be putting mushroom on this dish.
So we're going to leave the link to that video down below, and then we're going to go and see if we can make this and hopefully, not have to miss our carriage.
Be sure to make your dreams come true.
You heard the girl. So, we're back.
We're done.
This is a challenging one, to say the least. Sort of balancing everything, cooking, and then getting this,
The mold part.
this princess tower to sort of stay where it's supposed to. Thoughts?
I have a hunch that this one is going to be a lot less bland than the one we had at Cinderella's Royal Table.
So we were not a fan of this one when we got it Cinderella's Royal Table. We thought the flavor was a bit off. This is before I was even in most of these videos because I was a coward, didn't want to be seen on camera. but
That took me a bit.
it took her a bit to whittle me down. But we definitely took steps to make sure that this actually was something we wanted to eat this time. And honestly, in making it, I have a lot more respect for it now than I did before, because I just did not like it before. But now, like, this takes some work.
I mean, if you don't plate it like this, it's just couscous and zoodles.
Yeah.
So don't be intimidated by the plating. You
This
just
is just
throw it all on a plate and still eat it.
Us trying to give ourselves a little bit of Disney magic, but I mean, it would taste the same if you just dropped the couscous on a plate with some zoodles, and it'd probably be seasoned more evenly too.
Probably.
But I think we did quite well.
Let's try it before we start giving ourselves so much kudos.
Yes, that works. So, don't really know how you eat one of these.
You just dig in. Dink! It's supposed to fall down as soon as you break into it.
And it does. Some tofu, some zoodles. Can I get a tomato? No? Yeah, there we go. The flavor is bam right in your face. That roasted tomato vinaigrette.
It's everything.
It's all point.
That is the whole point of the dish.
It ties everything together. Tomatoes on top of the zoodles. And the couscous all together with that. That's a complete dish. Well seasoned, that's fun. Sort of like poke at your own tower and mix it up and then eat it. I mean, I like it.
You have your sword, I have my wand. We could, Cinderella's royal table it up here.
Right. We actually do still have both of those somewhere in here. Yeah. But I quite like that. This is a nice, fun dish. If you have the time, it's sort of like, I'm sure your kids would love it. Just sort of like
take the tower down.
Yeah.
Well, even then, if you just do the couscous with the vinaigrette, I think that alone would be sufficient.
It's a nice meal. Quick, easy. Couscous takes like 15 minutes, and then so you can roast the veggies and steam the zoodles while you're doing all that. So it's a quick meal.
3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 whole minutes. Any longer than that, they turn to complete mush. Believe us.
Yes.
We've tried it before.
We have a zoodle video where we show you that, actually.
Yes. But
and then the tofu takes like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So you can really do it all. You could probably, if you make the vinaigrette ahead of time, you could probably do this dish in about 20 minutes.
Yeah. And we go a little bit extra in these videos. Simplify it down. Get your own barbecue sauce. Get your own vinaigrette. Like, you don't have to go nuts like we do.
That's true.
Simplify it. But this is a good, quick, and home meal.
Yeah.
Nice and healthy. You don't have to go nuts. And I approve, actually. I'm going to give this one a 4 out of 5 plus. I quite like it. I'd eat this again. So, if you guys have any other recipes you guys want us to make, any other Disney remakes, either at the parks or used to be at the parks, the comments is always a place to let us know. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
This is a vegetable couscous. I don't like mushrooms, so I got it without mushrooms. It's got a nice little, like, zoodle around it. A little bland, but not bad. I'd probably give it like a 6.